Welcome to Woodland Power Products. In this short video, you'll learn a few important best practices for using a fuel stabilizer in your Cyclone Rake engine. The first thing to know is what exactly a fuel stabilizer does. A fuel stabilizer creates a chemical bond with your gasoline to keep it fresher longer. If the gas in your engine is left untreated, it will break down over time and will gum up the carburetor in your engine. This can make it harder for your engine to work at peak performance and can even cause serious damage over time. Adding a fuel stabilizer will prevent this from happening. We think it's so important to use, we even included a bottle of fuel stabilizer in our engine maintenance kits. Here's what we recommend. Every time you fill up your gas can, simply mix 2 ounces of stabilizer for every 5 gallons of unleaded gas. This way, the gas never has the opportunity to break down. It works best if you pour the stabilizer in first. That way it mixes all together when you get your gas at the pump. Next, fill your engine's gas tank with the stabilizer and gas mixture. Then let the engine run for 5 minutes so the stabilizer can circulate through the engine. That's it. Now you're ready to go. Storing your engine unit. We all know there's nothing worse than having engine trouble on the first start of the season. But now we know what causes it, so it's easy to avoid. All you have to do is store your Cyclone Rake engine with a full tank of the gas and fuel stabilizer mixture we learned about earlier. This will keep the engine from gumming up while it waits for its next use. With these fuel stabilizer best practices, your Cyclone Rake engine will stay running like new for years to come. Thanks for watching.